Hello mamas, welcome to Heavenly Bodies. We are going to be focusing on our arms today. So we're going to start standing, progressing to kneeling, and then seated. So here we go. Starting with the feet a little bit wider than the hips. Hug, gentle hug of your babe in and up. Bring the arms into a W, squeeze the lats down the back. We're going to reach up, high V, bring it down. Notice when I pull the arms down, I'm trying to flex my back. Pressing the shoulders down as I reach up into a high V, victory arm. Keep going. Now I want you to imagine that you're doing a pull-up. The scapula glide down the back. Really reach out through the fingertips. Soft bend in the knees. Single arm, lean away, pull it down. Nice, easy face. 4 more. Last one. Other side. Slight lean away from the extended arm. Notice I'm keeping my elbows away from my rib cage, keeping my arms active. Not just letting it go and reaching. Good. Width through the collarbone. 2 more. Last one. Now flip your palm back. Bring it in. So when you rotate your arm out to the side, the pinky is up and the thumb is down. Twisting in the arm is going to help wrap the tricep around the bone. Tighten those arms. 2, keeping a really strong straight spine. I want you to imagine a string at the top of your head, reaching up, but a gentle pull down of your chin, long back of the neck. Energy, like I'm reaching your arm, pulling it out to the side. 2 and 1. Here we go. From that V, we're gonna go alternate. Palm faces the front when the elbow is bent. Palm faces the back when you extend the arm. I'm keeping the spine really neutral and straight, just focusing arm. Activating the muscles in the arms. That's it. Keep your legs active. You can even think of pulling your inner thighs in towards each other. Let's do both arms. W, extend, flip. W, extend, flip. Beautiful. You should feel a burn happening in not only the deltoid, the cap of the shoulder, but also in your triceps when you flex and reach. Hold here. Beautiful. Pinky up, thumb down. Keep reaching, shoulders down, long neck, easy jaw. Good. Let's reach forward and back. Forward and back. Wow, already feeling this burn. Easy face. Keep the elbows lengthened straight. That's it. Shoulders down. Beautiful. Now stay and go back, back. Now I want you to think of gliding your shoulder blades together in the back, working the rhomboids. That's the muscle between the shoulder blades. Squeeze it back. Good, now bring your arms in, palms up. Oh, yes. A little bend in the knees now. We're getting a little more buoyant in our thighs. Maybe there's a little jive, a little groove. So notice the palms are up. Now I'm focusing bicep. And that little cut in the armpit, that lovely space, the pec. Yes. Good, now let's stay out to the side, one arm. You can allow the rib to move with you. Get a little standing abdominal work. Imagine you're holding something heavy side to side. Now both go out, out. Start to rotate towards one hip, shine your baby over to the side, your toes stay forward. Come back to the front, Shine your baby to the other corner. Maybe stretch your opposite leg. Now let's go corner, front, corner, front, corner. Still working those biceps. Feel your pecs. Rotating the pelvis side to side. Bring your feet in a little bit, hip width. Overhead. Notice my shoulders, my elbows stay in line with the shoulders. Wiggle your toes, spread your 10 toes. Little bend in the knees, keep going. Shoulders down, reach up. Keep those palms up. Imagine you're holding something heavy. Imagine you have those weights on. Good, now let's stay here, hold it up, reach up. Flex through your spine, hinge forward. And then I want you to kick your triceps straight back. So we're gonna reach up, press back, reach up. Now I want you to think of a magnet between your elbows. A lot of times the elbows want to go way out here. So I want you to have that magnet pulling and scooping up. I'm going to face this side. Reach. Notice I'm keeping my back of the neck long, keeping my head directly on top of the spine. A little flexion in the hips. Full extension of the front of the hips when you come up. Notice how the tailbone moves back and then straight down. Good, now let's stay over. Bend, stretch. Gentle hug of your babe in and up. Notice how far back my elbows are. I'm not letting them fall forward and back. I'm holding and pinning my elbows back. You'll feel the muscles in your spine here because you're forward. You're working against gravity, but you're strengthening your muscles in your spine here, as long as you're not arching in your back. Gentle hug of your babe, look down. Now let's go elbow, straight, elbow, straight. This is gonna help open through the chest, working the posterior chain of your body, your back body. Good, opening across the collarbones. Good, 4, 3, 2. Coming back to the front, feet in a little bit more. Good, stretch your arms out to the side. I want you to reach out of your fingertips, shoulders down, pull up through your quads, spread your toes. Beautiful. Let's reach the arms to prayer overhead. Look up. Prayer down through the center of your body. Forward fold. Bend your knees. Good. Flat back. Stretch the arms out wide. Reversing that. Prayer hands. Reaching up. And again, down through the middle of your body. Extend your arms in a T. Good. Flat back. Pull it up. I'll face this side. Notice I'm looking directly down, reaching the arms out to the side. Bring it back and reach up. Good. Think of that magnet between the elbows. Fold. Feel that crease in the hips. Let's stay here. A little down, up, down, up. Yes. If this is bothering your back at all, you can just come up. Actually, let's do that. Come up. Squeeze your glutes a little bit. And then start to forward fold. And notice how you're working a little more of the back body here. Start to come up. Open up those hands. Open up your hands. One more time. Forward fold. Coming up. Good, now I want you to take a wide, externally rotated position, pull up through the quads, victory arms, palms up. Good, now we're gonna go into a goddess pose, pull the elbows down, reach up, pull down, reach up. Bend in the knees, open your knees, external rotation. Look forward. If you can look up when you reach the arms. If not, just look to the center. Beautiful. Down, This is that same thing that we did, except we're flipping the palms up. Squeeze your glutes. Squeeze the quads. 4. Beautiful. 3, 2, and stay here. Reach the arms and go down, out. Bend the knees a little bit more. Open the knees out to the side. Smile. Yes. Down and up. Down, up, down. Hold here. Hold onto the knees. Forward fold. Rest. Breath in. Exhale. Forward fold even more. Bring your hands down. I want you to bring one knee down into a kneeling position. Hand on the hip. We're going to go into the side body. Feel a stretch on your opposite side body. Actually, let's do that with the arm. Curling in, elbow in front of your thigh, activating the obliques. During pregnancy, it's very safe for us to work the sides of the body, to stretch the side body. Good. Then let's flip out, in. Keep nice and tall in your spine. Squeeze under your supporting glute. If you need extra padding under your knee, double up your mat. Good. Or grab something soft, a pillow. Good. Nice. Now keep your arm out to the side, palm forward, reach the other arm up, and then reach up. Sweep the arm on the inside, side body reach, pull it up. Side body reach, pull it up. 2 more, reach. Last one, let's switch to the other side. Bring the foot out. Good, we're gonna pull the elbow in, reach up, pull in. Your other arm is sliding along the side body to activate that stretch. The rib and the hip move away from each other. Good, that's it. Pull it in. Feel that activation in those obliques. Good. Keep going. Squeeze under your supporting glute. Good, and then keep it up. Twist. Beautiful. Now reach the arm up and on the inside. Bring it back. Reach up and over. Reach up. Up and over. Reach it up. And again, up and over. And up. 4 more. 4. 3. Good. 2. Last one. Good. Bring it down. All 4s. Tuck your feet. Cross your feet. Come all the way. Seated down. Easy pose. And I want you to take your elbows nice and wide, shoulders down the back, anchor down through your sits bones, lift up through the crown of the head, tuck the chin in just a little bit. Imagine you're going swimming. Get a little rotation in the spine. Good, let your neck relax, let your face relax. Swimming, pulling the elbows back, reaching around. Easy shoulders, easy face. Good, and then pull your arms back, forward. Row the elbows, reach. Pull and back. Pull and back. 4 more, 4, 3. If you want to sit on something like a pillow or a bolster, that's fine too here. Good, and then I want you to go pull back, fold, lift, and reach. Pull, squeeze the elbows into the side body and then forward. Pull back, squeeze down, lift up. Good, you're gonna feel the shoulder blades, the deltoids, squeeze the lats, reverse, and out. Pull it down, grow taller through your spine, connect to your breath. 2, Let's do one more. Good, reach your arms out to the side, shoulders down. Bring the palms facing down, dome the fingertips, bring it slightly back. Let's cross the legs the other way. Bring your arms back to the side. Good, shoulders down. Now I want you to feel the energy open through your chest, down through the shoulders, out through the lengthened elbows and fingertips doming out. Good, that high V, this time arms, palms stay down, down, down. Lift the arms up, up, down, down, up, up. Imagine you're sitting against a wall. Your spine is super straight. You're right on top of the sits bones. There's that imaginary string pulling the top of your head up, chin slightly chucked. Good. Now let's take one arm up and over, crawl your fingers out, anchor down through your sits bones, let your head go. Now I want you to look down, up. Stay lifted through your supporting side. Whatever arm is up in the air, that's the sits bone I want you to anchor down through. 2, like you're gonna do a cartwheel. Look center, reach up, crawl the fingers out, reach the opposite side arm up, anchor down through the sits bone, and look down and up, down, lift through the supporting side, stretching your neck. Look down, look up, look down, look up, down, up. Last one. Now let's go up and over and reach. Now this is literally like you're doing a cartwheel. Reach up and over. Feel that rib move away from the hip. Feel anchored down, rooting down through the root chakra. Good, and then bring your arm down. Nice, beautiful. Sit up nice and tall. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in. Keep the fingertips domed, the elbows lengthen, the shoulders open, close behind you, but open through the chest. Shine your heart forward. Gently open the eyes. Thank you so much, mamas. I hope you enjoyed that. See you next time. Mwah.